Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Friday, July the 26th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room, 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free room. I open the room every morning at 9 o'clock Eastern. That's when I start to share my screen, get live on the mic. And I go up to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays. And today is Friday. I go up to 3 o'clock on Fridays. In the email you're getting, you will see a link for the test drive. The test drive is something we do 4 times a year. It will start August the 12th, run for 5 full trading days, and it'll cost you $8.99. And for that, you will get full access to our entire program, our premium service. Okay, if you're a standard subscriber, you can still sign up for it and you'll get access to our premium service for those 5 trading days. So it's a great time, opportunity, I should say, to try us out. Many people ask if we have a free trial. We don't, but we do this 4 times a year, and so it's the closest thing you're going to get to a free trial if you can afford $8.99. Now, if some of you are getting tired of my talking about how I'm following previous AI trades, too bad. That's what I'm just going to say. Look at ACHN today. The alert was right there at, actually it was at 399. It was just underneath it. You can see right there, there's the high. I guess, is that 399? So I got the alert right at 399. And I took the trade right here at 403. I did sell some here. I sold some a little bit here. I don't know why that's there. That should be up here. Sold some up in this area here. And I was actually thinking that if it took out 5 again, I might add back. Not the entire position, but I may add back. But it looks like it's finally done. And I'm basically out of most of my position anyway. But what a fantastic alert again. Basically, what you do is you take the AI alerts. This one was probably from 3 days ago, so it's not just the ones from the day before. If the chart still looks good, then I'm going to hold on to it, and as something that I'm going to follow. So when you look at this chart, this is straight up. I think the alert was on this day. Unfortunately, I don't have. One of the things that we have to add is the only time you see the previous AI buys if it came from Holly Grail. And so if this obviously came from either Holly Neo or Holly 2.0, I believe it happened on that day. So if you had held on and on and on, but you could have intraday traded it every single day if that's what you like to do, which is what I like to do. So, there's really not much more to talk about. This is just spectacular stuff. There were some others triggered. LKQ kind of worked, but don't get very many alerts, which is great. I don't get very many alerts from this. I think I only had 4 alerts. This one obviously worked the best. The LKQ worked okay, and the other 2, I got the alert and they really didn't do anything after that. So there's no harm, no foul. So anyway, guys, I'm going to keep. This is just really, really good, especially if you're a new trader and you want to have a watch list of things that you want to watch the next day that have been, in theory, optimized as a good strategy. Maybe they didn't, blast off on the day of the initial alert, but again, watching them going forward, I'm not saying they're all going to be like this, but I've been doing this now for, maybe 2 weeks, in which I've been tracking the previous day and days AI alerts, and I have to say, I can't remember one day where there hasn't been a really, really good one. But it's not like I'm getting 30 alerts, or you're saying, well, great, Barry, you might get 1 out of 30. How's that helping? It's not like that. I'm only getting a very, very few alerts, and some of them you get the alert and it doesn't make any sense to me to take it. This one obviously made sense for me to take it because it was just over the whole number, and it just looked like, and the volume was just increasing. So anyway, guys, yeah, I'm excited about it. There's no question, I am excited about it. People used to ask me, why don't I take all the AI alerts? A lot of times I didn't take the AI alerts because I just didn't, quite frankly, like the way they set up on the day of, and so I wouldn't take a lot of them. And, the AI has been okay, but I think going forward, monitoring the alerts over the next few days and maybe thinking to yourself, okay, you know what? This alert happened on this day. Maybe it was a little early. For all the reasons why I did get alerted, they're probably still in place. Let's see what happens going forward. I'm not saying, watch it for 30 days or a year. But for instance, this one, I'll keep watching it next week. Why not? I mean, there's no reason not to keep watching this next week. If it takes out 5 on Monday with a vengeance, hey, I mean, look at the weekly. Let's just take a look at the weekly here. I mean, it is coming into some resistance now. So, I mean, it may not, it'll probably struggle. I mean, right there is the area, but that's 5. I mean, if it took out 5, then you're looking left and that's 568, but that's only a topping tail on a weekly chart. So, I mean, that may not be a lot of resistance. Anyway, very excited about what's happening with this going forward. I know 2 weeks is not a huge sample size, but I'm just impressed with the alerts that I'm getting. All right, everybody, that's it. I want to get back into the room and bring back the capture program. So again, if you have any questions for me, how I'm, you have to have our premium service in order to track the following day and days. And really, all I can tell you is that look at a daily chart, look at a weekly chart. So if the stock still looks good, based on a chart, there's not a lot of resistance nearby, why not hang on to it? I mean, why not monitor it, I should say. I'm not saying, so monitor it, because if there's no chart resistance, then why not? I mean, there's nothing stopping it. And if traders still want to pile into it, join them. Okay. I hope everybody has a great weekend. This has been just a fantastic week in the trading room. So I hope everybody has a great weekend, and we'll see you in the trading room Monday morning at 9 o'clock. Bye-bye.